know, we're an organization at Jupiter Medical Center that's focused on this idea of striving for world class. Everything that we focus on, everything that we measure, we frame it in the sense of, are we providing world-class care to this community? And when we think about our partners and we think about folks we want to collaborate, we have that exact same conversation. We want to partner with organizations that we consider to be best in class and that we consider to be world-class organizations. Miami Children's has very similar values, a very similar belief system, and a very similar culture to Jupiter Medical Center. So when we think about bringing these two organizations together for our community as it relates to pediatric care, it's a natural fit, and we couldn't be more excited as a community. What I'd like to do is spend just a moment and tell you about what's going to actually happen over the next, I would say, the next couple of years. And it's really broken down into two phases, and I will stay, very high level for you as it relates to these activities, but we're absolutely delighted. And these activities are going to start happening now. The first phase over the next, I would tell you, 6 months. The first is telehealth. In a few minutes, well, in a little bit, you're going to receive a demonstration from Dr. Kinney, the CEO of Miami Children's, to the left of me, and he's going to share with you some of the most innovative technology that we as an industry, as a healthcare industry, has to offer through telehealth. We will be offering this technology in our ER, and it will allow us to directly link to physicians and to specialists down in Miami at Miami Children's, so families and children in our ER can have direct access to those specialists down in Miami. And it is an incredible technology, and I highly recommend staying back and watching Dr. Kinney give a little demonstration. Actually, my daughter is the patient, so she's nervously waiting back there, not sure what to expect.
It's a great day for us at Miami Children's Hospital. We're truly excited to be here. This is really the beginning of an incredible partnership. But before I go further, this has been a journey to get to this stage. I must acknowledge the partnership of John. John has been a great supporter, a partner. I want to acknowledge also the boards of both hospitals that have made this happen. We're here today because John, in conjunction with his board, saw a vision that we share, and he made it happen with us. So thank you very much, John. We really appreciate that. Thank you. We're excited to be here. Miami Children's has a legacy, obviously, of being the only freestanding children's hospital in South Florida. We're dedicated to caring for children. All of our efforts, our resources, and our planning go towards the care of the child. Now, when I got here in 2008, we started talking about a vision of being where the child is. And as you know, Miami Children's Hospital has been based in Coral Gables. That's where its legacy has been for more than 50 years, in fact, more than 60 years. We've started to expand, recognizing the need for children to be cared for in their local communities. Now, it's possible that some children are ill enough that they would need very specialized resources. And for that purpose, we will continue to be the center in Coral Gables. They are very complex children that require aggregations of specialists, technology, and those will continue to be cared for in Miami. But as we outreach, most pediatric care can be delivered in the communities where these children reside. And that's the ultimate goal of this partnership.
On behalf of my fellow trustees, many of whom are here today, we appreciate you taking the time to be here, and we appreciate our partnership with another world-class organization. I had the opportunity about 8 months ago with John to go down and spend a better part of a day at Miami Children's. And I can tell you, I was exceptionally impressed. We came back very, very excited with a lot of vigor about the possibilities of what we could do. And having put this partnership together in 8 months may seem like a long time, but I'll tell you, in putting partnerships together, this was done in lightning speed. And the reason is because we share a lot of the same values. We have similar cultures, similar beliefs, and also we have a similar dedication to providing world-class quality and excellent patient care. We're convinced that together we can bridge the gap from world-class adult health care to world-class pediatric health care, and that's going to benefit our entire community. So on behalf of the Board of Directors at Jupiter Medical Center and everyone in the community, we welcome you and we thank you very much, and we look forward to a long-lasting partnership.
Thank you. And next, I'd like to introduce Mr. Gary Gregory, the Chairman of the Board of Trustees of Miami Children's Hospital.
Thank you, Patty. I'd like to echo what Paul and Noreen and John have said. I'm not going to say a lot more because they've said the important things already. Miami Children's Hospital is real excited to be in Jupiter, and especially at Jupiter Medical Center. We have started our little hospital back to 50 or 60 years ago. I can remember my mom knitting a blanket, and I said, "What's that for, Mom?" And she said, "They opened a new children's polio hospital down the block a ways." And I said, and he said, "You know, your dad had polio." I said, "Yeah, I did know that." And so that was my first entree into Miami Children's Hospital. I guess I was about 8 or 9 years old then. And through being on the board for 25 years and serving at the pleasure of the board as its chairman, I've really gotten to understand the differentiation between adults and children as far as medical care is concerned. It is a substantial difference. So I think I understand a little bit about how important it is that Jupiter Medical Center and Miami Children's Hospital have joined together for the benefit of the kids up here in Palm Beach County. We're a 289-bed facility down there. We've expanded exponentially in the last 10 years. We've gone from 1 location to 10 locations located throughout Dade County and Broward County and Palm Beach County. Palm Beach County, obviously, thanks to the Nicholas family, has been very, very important. I'm proud to tell you that Miami Children's Hospital, for the second year in a row, has been the only hospital in Florida to be recognized in pediatrics in all 10 subspecialties that U.S. News and World Report recognizes. And we're one of the few in the nation that has received that designation. We're tops in cardiology, cardiac surgery, neurology, neurosurgery, cancer care, neonatology, orthopedics, pulmonary, and urology. And I'm pleased to tell you that this is something that really blows my mind. We have the highest 5-year cancer survival rate in the nation for kids at Miami Children's Hospital. With this new affiliation, we see nothing but bright skies ahead for both of our organizations to serve our nonprofit vision. And we thank you for joining with us, and we look forward to a great experience up here. So thank you all very much.